Hello everyone and welcome to Yazzy's World. Today I wanted to show you guys how I dip these beauties in candy. So, very simple. If you would like to go back in my former videos with the candy apple recipe is there. I'm not gonna take you guys through that step all over again because it's already there twice. But you do want to make sure you have parchment paper or a silicone mat, of course, to sit the berries on after. You want to start off, I already rinsed off. I rinse them off as soon as I buy them automatically because the kids like to go back and forth in them. But I'm just going to give you a little snippet of how you want to do that. So you just want to take cool water, and it doesn't have to be strong. Just a little sprinkle to get them clean. And you just pat them dry. And then you stick your toothpick in the middle. And just pat the berry dry, just like that. Pretty easy. So I'm going to show you guys one more. Like I said, I already did them. But you just go ahead and you can stick it first or however you want to, just so you can have, it could be secure. Sprinkle a little water on them and dry the berries off. Excuse my backup noise, my noise in the background. Yeah, that's my friend, the person I'm making these for. So yeah, you just go ahead and do that. Now I do these with people, like they got to be like 10 minutes down the street or like chilling at your house, because they don't last long. Because once you dip the strawberry into the candy, by their seeds being outside, that's how strawberry seeds are, it gets really moist and the candy starts to break down. So like I said, you rinse your berries lightly. Hand pat them dry. Get your toothpick. You can put it in before or after. Stick it in the middle. And that's how you clean your berries before dipping them. So stay tuned for this video, and we'll get started on the dipping process. Okay, so the concoction of the water, sugar, and Kero syrup is boiling. It's almost ready. Remember, we're going for a hard crack stage. That's where it's gonna get that candy effect on whatever fruit that you might be using. We want that hard rock stage candy. So right now it's at about 250 degrees. We want to go ahead and let it get to hard rock, which is 350 degrees. So I'm going to let that finish off. I've added just a little bit of strawberry flavoring just to enhance the taste of it in general, of the strawberry. I also have all my strawberries cleansed or cleaned, rinsed, and the toothpicks in the middle of them so that I can just hold the leaf and dip them in and set them. And remember, we're setting them on a a silicone mat, sorry, or wax paper or parchment paper, whatever you have, whatever works for you. So I'm going to let this finish off doing what it needs to do. Just make sure you have your strawberries on deck and the toothpicks in them so you can dip and have control of the berry, and you'll be good to go. So I'll come back to you guys when it's time to dip our berries. Alrighty guys, so I've taken my sugar concoction, Kero syrup, and water concoction off the stove, and this is how it's looking. It's still bubbly and stuff. So I'm going to sit it, place it right there. Go ahead and remove this from it. Let this cool off. You don't just want to automatically rinse it off because it will break. It has happened to me. So I just set it to the side. I'm going to let this cool a little bit. Just a little bit. Set it on my mat. And I'm just going to get to dipping. So you're going to take your berry. And I tend to pull the leaves back. And you want to be very careful because, like I always tell you guys, if you don't feel comfortable doing it barehanded, you are more than welcome to wear gloves because this concoction is very, very hot. So I'm going to go ahead and just dip the strawberry right in. And pull it out. And I will leave the candy recipe that I use below in my description box. But I broke that recipe down like 3 times just because I knew I was doing berries and I didn't need, it doesn't call for a lot of the recipe. So I like split it in half and then split that in half. So we're gonna dip again. Oh, and that happens too. The berry just falls in. But I saved it. I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can really, there you go. And you do it just like an apple. Let the extra flow, and then you just set it on your parsnip paper or silicone mat. Do the same thing again. And like I said, they don't last long. If they're room temperature, you got about a good hour of life, because the moisture from the berries will make the candy break down. I'm gonna do a couple more on camera and then I'm gonna dip the rest off camera, but hopefully you guys are getting the gist of how this works. Not too much different from dipping an apple or a mango or all those other great fruits, but I think it's fairly simple. And I'm also going to do a video later on how to dip other fruits like a plum and a pear and a nectarine, stuff like that, because people do ask. And I know it might sound crazy, but some people actually enjoy stuff like that. Okay, so this is my last one on camera. So we're pulling back the leaves. Like I said, I know I said it before, if you don't feel comfortable barehanded, wear gloves because the concoction is very hot. And we're just dipping it in. You can twirl it or however you want to do it. Oops. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm going to finish dipping and then come back to you guys when I'm finished. So here's your finished product. I removed the toothpicks when I'm finished. They're good to go. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness, I haven't made these in forever. They are so pretty. So pretty. Oops, almost dropped it. Yeah, but that's the finished product. So these are strawberries dipped in candy. Candied strawberries. So I hope my quick video was informative for you guys and you try it, and make sure you're sharing my videos, thumbs upping, liking, all that great stuff. I really enjoy making these videos and I like the support from you guys as well. So thank you for watching my video, but I also have a little treat for you guys. So let me zoom on out. So I have a friend named Candice, and if you follow me on YouTube, well, follow me on Instagram, I continuously shout her out. But of course, Teachers Appreciation is coming soon, your way, our way, and she personalized mugs, cups, tumblers, all that great stuff. So this year for Teachers Appreciation, Candice Creations, follow her on Instagram, Candice Creations. She did a, oh my gosh, it's so cute, a cup, a tumbler, a cup, and it says, let me zoom in, It says teach, love, inspire, lead, motivate. So this will be a nice little gift for your teacher. And you can get their name customized on it, so it's theirs forever. You can get their name customized on it, and then she puts this on there: teach, love, inspire, lead, and motivate. It's pretty cute. She's offering different colors, certain colors, and I have like 10 of her cups. So, you know, yeah. So I'm trying to get it so you guys, I'm gonna also leave it in the description box anyways, but I was trying to get you guys to see. You hand wash these cups only. You don't want to mess up the prettiness on the outside. So yeah, so everyone, make sure you follow Candice Creation. She also has a shop on Etsy. I'm going to leave all of that great stuff in my description box. And these are the other 2 colors she offers as well. She's going to kill me for this, but hey, why not? Support one another. I had 2 more too. I ordered like 5. But I already gave them to the teachers. So this is a blue one. It has the same little saying and the teacher's name. And this is a yellow one. So yes, be sure to follow Candice Creations. I'll leave her information in the description box. Her Etsy page, her Instagram. She also will be setting up her YouTube channel too. So I'm going to leave you guys all of that great information so you can follow her as well. So thank you guys for watching my video. Let me know how you like the candied strawberries, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribing and sharing and liking, and I'll see you guys on the next go round. Bye bye.